In today's video, we're going to show you an easy way to completely remove Microsoft Office from your computer. Sometimes when you uninstall Office using the normal Windows method, it doesn't remove all of the program files. As a result, when you try to install a new version or a newer release of Office, you may get a message saying that an existing version is already installed on your device. Today, we'll solve this problem in a very simple way and completely remove Office from your computer. All you need to do is download the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool. I'll leave the download link from the official Microsoft website in the first comment. After opening the website, click on Download and select the latest version. Then scroll down and click Download to start the download process. Once the download is complete, install the tool on your computer. Right-click the downloaded file and choose Extract here to extract its contents. After extraction, open the folder. Then right-click the setup file and select Run as Administrator to begin the installation. The installation process will start. Wait until the installation is finished. After that, a new window will appear. Click I agree to accept the terms. Next, select the product you want to remove. In our case, we'll choose Microsoft Office. Then click Next. You'll be asked to choose a reason for removing the program. Select any option you prefer. For this example, we'll choose the third option. Click Next. On the next screen, select Yes, then click Next. The tool will scan your computer and detect the installed Office version. Select the detected version and click Next. You'll then see a message informing you that your computer may need to be restarted. Check this option and click Next. The tool will now begin removing all Office files and related components from your system. One of the best features of this tool is that it removes Office completely, including leftover files and settings. Wait until the removal process is completed. Once finished, click Restart. After the restart, you can close the tool. It's recommended to restart your computer again to ensure that all Office components have been completely removed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to completely uninstall Microsoft Office. In a previous video, we also explained how to fix Office installation problems. You can check that video on the channel as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.